Android TV Wi-Fi connected, but YouTube not working. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when your Android TV is connected to Wi-Fi, but YouTube won't load or work properly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Even if Wi-Fi is connected, test your internet speed on another device. Restart your router to fix any temporary network issues. Step 2. Restart your Android TV. Press and hold the power button on your remote or go to Settings, Device Preferences, Restart. This often clears minor glitches. Step 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Go to Setting, Apps, YouTube. Select Clear Cache first, then Clear Data. Restart the app and try again. Step 4. Update the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Search for YouTube and update the app if available. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date, time can cause streaming errors. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. Step 6. Reinstall YouTube app. If nothing works, uninstall YouTube from your TV. Then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Android TV troubleshooting tips.